The Senate will be in order. The opening prayer will be offered by His Holiness, the Dalai Lama.
Read.
You go ahead. It's all yours.
Firstly, as usual, I am a Buddhist monk, simple Buddhist monk. So pray to Buddha and all other gods. 관계 투신에서는 다와도 제방에서 담배 춘이 된세에 과담달라 차처로 최놈 이기 정신데 이인이 소신면으로 개디 이인이 접당배 매섬 양의 재장으로 달라대 대화토 주모요 민주신 the first sentence I will read. Now my broken English, the pronunciation may not be correct, at least not American as a pronunciation. With our thoughts, we make our world. Our mind is central and precedes our deeds. Speak or act with a pure mind, and happiness will follow you, like a shadow that never leaves. The second sentence, 지진 대신 올리자. 눈은 배시 쳔니다. 데려다주 주어도 이런 데 복근주쇼. May there be joy in the world, with bountiful harvest and spiritual wealth. May every good fortune come to be, and may all our wishes be fulfilled. 지신난가 내봐도 저 지신 내주고 지지도 안 내주는데 저의 동에 싸우셔. This is my favorite prayer. Daily I pray this. That gives me inner strength. So enthusiasm to serve sentient being, humanity on this one. As long as space remains, and as long as sentient beings remain, until then may I too remain and help dispel the misery of the world. Thank you.